Hi guys, Ernest with UpFix here. Behind me I have a 2017 Volkswagen Beetle, and it has the typical case of screen delamination. So you can see on the navigation radio unit, the screen itself looks like it's melting, and that's because the glue behind the navigation touchscreen is delaminating. So let's take a look and see what we can do. We're gonna first identify the obvious problems and see how it affects controls and functionality, and then stick around and find out what we're gonna do to fix it. Here are the primary tools I'll be using to remove that navigation head unit. It's gonna be the Torx bit, plastic trim remover, and a spatula for the trim removal. So make sure your plastic trim remover is sturdy and strong, working all four corners. Here and here, there's large ones. You will see this thing come right out. And you'll see why it holds on so strongly, because you have 4 large ones, 4 smaller ones, and 2 side ones here. Using a metal spatula like this, let's remove the vents around this navigation head unit. And there you have it. So using a T20 Torx bit, let's remove these 8 screws surrounding this radio navigation head unit. So there's 2 harnesses in the back of this unit. If you disengage this clip connector on the passenger side, it should give you more access in the back. So just pull like that. And then here, you just grab it by this and pull it out. And now you should have access to the back harness. And the primary connector is here on the driver's side. If you take a flathead or the spatula, they'll just come right out. First, I might start with this one. Here we go. Got this one, this here. Being really careful with it. Holding it here, and there we go. So do be careful with that tab connector. It's gotta come out perfectly. You can't really angle it and pry on it, otherwise it'll break the actual connector, and we've seen that happen before. What you wanna do is just be really careful and pull it straight out once this has been engaged, and then just pull it right out this way. And now that we have this unit pulled out of the vehicle, one of the techs here at UpFix is gonna rebuild this, test it on the workbench, and then we're gonna reinstall this unit to make sure functionality has been restored. So that is the repairs on the MIB2 navigation radio head unit for this Volkswagen Beetle 2017. And honestly, this unit is found in a lot of Volkswagens for this era from 2013 all the way up to 2018 plus. If you have one of these radios, feel free to visit our website, upfix.com, and check out the service repair page. If you're having those issues that I just described in the vehicle, then we can repair it for you and get you back on the road. Thanks for watching.